Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to attach our square plated table base to our melamine tabletop. Our square plated table bases are the Chicago, the circular, the Maxwell or the bolt-in. So if you ordered any of these table bases and the melamine top, this is how you do the attachment. Now the melamine tabletop has 4 pre-drilled bolt holes that we're going to attach to, and the table base has these large outer holes that we're going to use to attach. Now, should you have received a little bag of screws with your order and you ordered this combination, please don't use the screws, just discard them. You're looking for these little bolts, and that's what we're going to use, just 4 of them, and that'll attach your base to your top. Now, flip your base over, line up your holes, those big outer holes, to the pre-drilled. One of these bolts in each hole. And then using the Allen key provided, tighten them up. Now you want them nice and tight because you don't want them coming apart. And there you have it. That's how you attach our square plated table bases to our melamine tops.